Gold prices have taken a slump. Hello traders, Fawad FOREX YT here, market analyst with forex.com. So in the last hour or so, we've seen quite a sharp drop in the price of gold and silver on apparently no news. The moves could have been triggered by technical selling, or perhaps it was a delayed reaction to the non-farm payrolls report that was released on Wednesday, which came out better than expected, causing the US dollar to stage a small recovery. So what now for gold prices? Let's get into it. So in the last 1 hour or so, gold has dropped quite sharply, breaking below the 5,000 level, and in the process taking out this bullish trend line that had been in place since the market bottomed on the 2nd of February. Is this the start of another bearish trend, is what investors will be wondering, given what happened in the past when gold prices slumped by a significant amount before correcting higher. So let's discuss a few levels, and among them the 4,900 is quite important, given that it was previously resistance here before gold broke out above it, heading towards 5,000 and ultimately testing and failing at around the 5,100 level, which was a previously resistance and support level, a very important technical level that, as it turned out, gold did in fact top around the 5,100 level after the non-farm payrolls report was released, which came in stronger than expected and aided a small dollar recovery, which then weighed on the price of gold, although not immediately, because it consolidated following the jobs report before taking a dump today. So where do we go from here is a key question. Well, for me, trading it from one level to the next makes the most sense, given that it's a trading environment. It's not one that's particularly trending in either direction. So for me, taking it from one level to the next makes the most sense. So from here, it could bounce back to test the broken 5,000 level, where we have the previous support. Above that, we have a couple of other short-term levels, including the base of the breakdown at around the 5,040 level, which is now going to be significant in terms of its importance, because that level will need to hold to keep the bearish traders in control of price action. Should we go back above that level, then at that point the probability of price breaking above that area of resistance increases, especially if we take out the high of the thrust candle that was created over here. On the downside then, I mentioned 4,900 as being a key level of support. Below that we have 4,785, which is the base of the prior breakout that took place over here. That effectively ended the bearish momentum that was in play up until that point. So that level remains exposed for a potential retest from above. Below that we have this low right here, which was created on the 6th of February, last Friday, when risk assets rallied across the board, but we haven't seen much upside follow through, certainly for the stock indices in the US, and that makes me wonder whether we will come back to retest this level at a later point in time. So those are the key levels to watch on gold prices. For more market insights and analysis, make sure to head over to forex.com. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.